Why do you fail in life? The reason is quite simple. You do not have objective. Or if you have objective, then you do not have plan to achieve it. Or if you have plan, then you do not follow your plan. Or if you follow your plan, then you are not persistent. And the result is that you fail in life. When you lose yourself, when you lose your ability, when you lose your talent, when you lose your confidence, you fail in life. When you have fear to get your goal, when you follow others, when you compare your path with others, you fail in life. Success requires discipline. Self-control over yourself is a central requirement for being successful. If you lack self-discipline, you are more likely to be failed. So focus on making a great future. Invest on you. Find the opportunities, not the problems. Because if you look at opportunities, you will find more opportunities. And if you look at problems, you will find more problems. So it depends on you. You wanna fail in life or you wanna become a successful person?